Stop eating these vegetables now. You're eating cancer. Welcome to this crucial video that could change the way you think about your food choices. For years, we've all been told that eating vegetables is among the healthiest decisions we can make. After all, vegetables are rich in nutrients that protect the body and reduce the risk of diseases, including cancer. But here's the shocking truth. Some vegetables you eat every day may be unknowingly exposing you to harmful chemicals that could increase your risk of developing cancer. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden dangers lurking in certain vegetables, explain why they can be harmful to your health, and most importantly, provide simple and effective solutions to protect yourself and your loved ones. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness and making informed decisions for a healthier life. Let's dive in. Vegetables have become synonymous with health, and rightly so. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that are essential for our bodies. But what happens when these valuable foods are contaminated? Unfortunately, many vegetables you pick up from the grocery shelves come coated in harmful pesticides, soaked in chemicals, or even contain natural toxins created under certain conditions. The problem isn't with the vegetables themselves, it's with how they're grown, stored, and cooked. From farm soil contaminated with heavy metals to chemicals used to protect crops from pests, your favorite vegetables may carry risks that most people are completely unaware of. So, what exactly makes certain vegetables dangerous? Let's examine some specific factors. Pesticides are chemicals used in agriculture to protect crops from insects, weeds, and diseases. While pesticides help improve crop yields, they often come at a cost to your health. Many of these chemicals contain harmful substances that cling to the surfaces of vegetables, even after they're harvested. Certain vegetables are more likely to have higher pesticide levels than others. For example, leafy greens like spinach and kale are among the most pesticide-contaminated produce items. Berries and peppers often make this list as well. When consumed frequently without proper precautions, these chemicals can gradually accumulate in your body, potentially leading to long-term health problems, including a higher risk of cancer. Here's the catch. Simply rinsing your vegetables under water may not be enough to remove all pesticide residues. We'll explore effective cleaning methods later in this video to help you safeguard your health. It's not just what's sprayed on vegetables that's cause for concern, it's also what's absorbed from the soil. Root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and beets grow underground and may absorb heavy metals like arsenic, lead, and cadmium if the soil is contaminated. Contaminated soil may result from industrial pollution, improper waste disposal, or excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Over time, consuming vegetables grown in toxically polluted soil can lead to the buildup of heavy metals in your body. Excessive exposure to these metals has been linked to a variety of illnesses, including cancers of the lungs, bladder, and skin. While washing and peeling root vegetables can reduce some of the risk, the contamination inside the plant cannot simply be washed away. Are you a fan of crispy French fries or golden brown roasted potatoes? Here's a little-known dietary fact that might change how you cook. Frying or roasting starchy vegetables at high temperatures can form a chemical called acrylamide. Acrylamide is a compound created when carbohydrate-rich foods are subjected to high levels of heat, such as frying, roasting, or baking. Research has shown that acrylamide is a potential carcinogen, meaning that prolonged exposure to high amounts may increase the likelihood of cancer. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy potatoes or other starchy vegetables, but it's essential to understand which cooking methods are safest for preserving both flavor and health. We'll cover these in our tips section shortly. Storing vegetables improperly can lead to the growth of mold, and molds on some vegetables produce toxins called aflatoxins. Aflatoxins have been heavily studied due to their strong link to liver cancer and other serious health risks. Vegetables left in humid or damp conditions for extended periods are particularly susceptible to mold development. Even if the mold isn't visible on the surface, the toxins it produces may already be present. This applies particularly to vegetables like peppers, squash, and root vegetables that don't get consumed promptly after purchase. At this point, you might be thinking, are all vegetables harmful? Should I stop eating them altogether? The answer is a resounding no. Vegetables remain a cornerstone of a healthy diet, and eliminating them would do more harm than good. The key is to be informed about potential risks and take smart steps to mitigate them. The truth is, many of these dangers yeast can be avoided or minimized through safe farming practices, proper storage, and informed cooking choices. You don't need to fear vegetables, you just need to approach them with awareness and care. Here's the good news. You don't have to completely overhaul your diet to stay safe. Small, practical changes can help you continue to enjoy vegetables without worrying about hidden chemical dangers. Whenever possible, choose organic vegetables. Organic farming practices prohibit the use of harmful synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which means organic produce generally contains lower levels of chemical residues. Thoroughly washing your vegetables is a simple but effective way to reduce pesticide residues and dirt. Here are tips for proper cleaning. Rinse under cold running water while gently scrubbing the surface with your hands. Soak hard-skinned vegetables in a solution of water and vinegar or baking soda for a few minutes to loosen residues. For leafy greens, separate the leaves and wash them individually to remove contaminants hiding between layers. Ensure vegetables are stored in cool, dry places. Avoid leaving them in damp or humid conditions, and keep food storage areas clean to prevent mold growth. Avoid frying or baking starchy vegetables at extremely high temperatures. Instead, try boiling, steaming, or sautéing them at moderate heat. These methods preserve nutrients and reduce the formation of harmful chemicals, like acrylamide. Don't over-rely on specific vegetables for your nutrition. A variety of vegetables not only provides a broader nutrient profile, but also minimizes risk from any one source of contamination. Scientific studies have consistently backed these concerns. For instance, environmental researchers have measured pesticide levels in commonly consumed vegetables and found surprisingly high concentrations, especially among non-organic produce. Studies have also shown links between acrylamide and increased cancer risks, although more research is needed for definitive conclusions. By staying informed and making slight shifts to your habits, you can easily sidestep these risks while still enjoying the immense benefits of vegetables in your diet. This video isn't meant to scare, it's designed to empower. Vegetables are still one of the best gifts you can give your body, as long as you stay mindful of how you source, store, and cook them. With so many solutions now at your fingertips, you'll be able to enjoy your meals with the peace of mind that you're taking care of your health. Remember, awareness is the first step to making better choices. Every small change in your kitchen counts, so wash your produce, cook thoughtfully, and prioritize your long-term well-being. Your future self will thank you. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family to help spread awareness about these hidden vegetable dangers. Together, we can all take steps towards healthier eating habits. If you found this content helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insightful videos. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask questions about today's topic. We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and thank you for watching.